Welcome back! Today we'll experience together a journey through time and elegance in this fantastic Renaissance villa with frescoes, Italian-style gardens and an incredible ancient thermal bath. We are on the hills of Florence, only 10 kilometers from the city center. Let's start the tour and follow me. The property is about 1,300 square meters, 9 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, an underground historical wellness area and a limonaia that can be converted in a private apartment, a huge and the biggest loggia in Florence, and then a secret little garden and a private chapel. Now we are in the loggia, one of the biggest in Florence. We are talking about the 16th century. At that time, the villa belonged to the Carlini's family, the notary of the Medici family. The villa still represents that period. It's full of historical elements like family crest, columns, frescoes. Even the facade and the fountain in the thermal baths are made by Buontalenti, the famous architect of the Medici family. Now we are about to meet Marta. She's the owner of the villa. She is an entrepreneur that has a successful communication agency mainly focusing in the fashion industry. She worked for important luxury brand, and we will see the eclectic influence in the style she chose for the interiors. Let's go. Good morning, Marta.
Hello, Chiara. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm so happy that you accept this invite.
Thank you so much.
So Marta, we are in a piece of history.
This is a big salone. I use to receive guests, to talk. This is very pleasant. The house is very pleasant because Carlini family come here to joking, to stay well, to pass the time reading.
And then of course because of the terme.
You can do your wellness here, to make a gym, to make a bath. You can do everything.
But what is interesting and very uncommon, that is an historical wellness area.
Right.
That was used from the Medici family, from the Carlini.
Exactly. Cosimo II came to his house to Maine at the Terme. It's a very happy place, very lucky place. It's full of light. Each room is different from the other because they live in different way. The summer, the winter, and the ceiling are all different.
Thank you very much, Marta.
Thank you to you.
Let's continue the tour together.
Okay, come with me. Ecco Chiara, the last things, I show you the secret garden.
No, è so cozy.
With the pomegranate is the lucky plants. This is the tower.
Che meraviglia.
This is small, but so nice.
So beautiful. Thank you very much for everything, Marta.
Sorry for my English.
It was great, actually. Now I'm going to step into the Italian Renaissance garden one last time and enjoy. This historical villa, for sale at 9.9 million euro, represents an opportunity to own a piece of history where art, architecture and beauty come all together. We thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe so you can follow us in the next property tour. We see you soon, and thank you again. Ciao ciao!